So what actually is copywriting? We have talked about it. We have seen the success stories and results of a copywriter. But what actually is copywriting? It's nothing more than a sales in print. You might have seen those salesperson when you go to mall, when you go to complex. You see, when I was passing in one of the complex in the city, when I was passing in there, so one salesperson came in and said, "Hello sir, what do you want?" So that's a salesperson, and that's closing and sales in, like, by persuading in person. But copywriting is almost opposite. I mean, it's in the print. You must be persuading people to take action with just your words, written words, not your emotions. You have to get such a words that will rise the emotion, that will make them buy. It is, yeah, I know that it is much easier to persuade them live in person, but it's very hard to persuade them just with text and words and just like that. It's very hard, it's complicated. But when you get to know exactly how you can do this, then that will be very much simple after practice and after consistency. So you must be consistent in your work, but just understand that copywriting is sales in print. I will be talking about more about copywriting in just coming episodes, but this over here will just talk about what the copywriting is, and we will get to know about a little bit about examples of copywriting. Then I will be taking you forward on how to write copies, what are the top strategies to write copies, and how you can persuade people to take action with your words. Sounds good? Let's go to the next slide. Say this is a example of copy. So this is from a beer called light beer. So it's one of the top, I am listing down one most of the popular copies that sold a lot of products, a lot of copies of products. Stock were finishing very, very fast due to these copies. So you can just take a look. See, this is an advertisements copy, right? So there are kind of many versions of copy. There are different types of copies. There are different examples of copies. We will learn about that, but just see the text over there will persuade someone to buy. This can be on internet with digital marketing, it can be in print ads, anything, but the text over there, see, it's saying great and it's less filling. So these kind of words will persuade buyers to buy. You might not think I am reading and I don't feel like buying, because you might not be person who want that light biscuit or beer. I don't know what it is, but you might not be the person who is fit. You might not be the target audience, but to the target audience it will be the best option and best one to persuade them to buy. So this is another of lemon alcohol, I guess. See, the typography of that word combination is making it look attractive, and the idea, that underline of idea, that hand form underline, that is attracting a lot, right? Let's see others. See, this one got me quickly. See, it says picks up 5 times more women than a Lamborghini. See, they are getting the authority from the Lamborghini without using their trademark, without using their logo, or without using them. They are saying our van can pick up 5 times more women. If a Lamborghini can pick you up 10, or I don't think so 10, but 1 woman, then it will get 5 women. See how it's attracting and persuading buyers to see, oh, I have to buy that van. So this is another from McDonald's. This is the billboard. So $4 is dumb, now serving espresso. See how it's attracting, how lesser is more in copy. Okay, billboard copy. And there is another from Tylenol. This is the medicine for headache. See how they are making like this like effect that a stone is coming and headache is happening and Tylenol there. See how it will attract the viewers. So the main strategy of main objective of your copy should be to get the viewers attracted to your copy. And see, this is from Amazon Echo. See how it's saying, Alexa, turn on my, and fan is over there in the top of Alexa Echo, and it's saying, Alexa, turn on my fan, and it says, and see, it says get started. So this kind of it attracts a lot. This from Google ad, and this is from YouTube video ads. So YouTube is saying to businesses that you can promote your video ads into our platform. See how attractive it is, how simple, and how like anyone would love to click that. Even if I love to, like, I clicked that personally and I run the ad also. So anyone without even business also could click that ad because it seems so there, here are more examples. This is from Google. See how attractive and how simple it is, right? So this is from ConvertKit. It's a landing page. See how the headlines are, how headlines are aligned, how sub headlines are aligned, and how that buttons are aligned, and how hero image is aligned. We'll talk about it more later. Just see then examples of copywriting. See, simple, easy, just do it. Nike, right? Who wouldn't understand that this ad is from Nike? How simple the logo is, how simple the tagline is. So these are called. So here is one sales letter. This is from one of the best copywriter in this world, Gary Halbert. And this is from Oleg V. So see how great these copies are. You might not think that these are great because you haven't read it. Just read this once. I will be like holding down these all copies into my swipe. I will be talking about my swipe file, and you will get all of this into my swipe file. I will talk about swipe file a little bit later. So these are the sales letters. So being a copywriter is being an anonymous salesperson. What do I mean by that? I mean you are a salesperson, but you won't be seen while making others to buy your product. Okay, so you must show them what's the benefit of your product. You must show them what is your product. You must almost put everything in it. Make lesser and provide more content and like description of your product. Sounds good?